Okay, so today we are going to be working on the interior of that, but before we get there, I want us to kind of do a recap of everything we've done with the car so far, because there's some new people on the channel and we want to kind of recap what we've done so far. So basically we got this, it wasn't running. We had to push it up there. Logan helped us out, Seth helped us out. We got it all up on the trailer, got it brought back. After digging into it, we found multiple issues: broken timing belt, bad fuel pump, actually a whole bunch of crud in the fuel tank. There's a lot going on with this car. Now, after some time, this car is running and driving on the road now. We still have a few things we have to dial into, but we'll get to that later. Right now, we're worried about the cosmetics now. This thing is going to Cruisin the Coast, I think just shy of 45 days. So we got a lot of work to do. I have Logan and Seth, they're gonna help me out getting the interior and everything all put back together so we can kind of get everything situated inside. I know it seems redundant to be able to be building a car like this and getting the D15 working again. I know that everybody will be like, just swap it out because I got the B18 back here. And if you guys are not familiar with that, we picked up a B18 block head, everything for it. So we're gonna be putting a B18A1 into this thing, non-VTEC, because we plan on boosting it later on. So the VTEC really doesn't matter for us. But yeah, we got lots going on. And if you guys are not familiar with the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Check that out up there because it's actually over here probably. Check that out because I'm telling you right now, we got all sorts of really good content. We're trying to get out there and get people to see what we're doing more of. We're gonna be doing some tint. We're gonna tint this, tint the side windows, get that all taken care of. Probably even tint the front windows. I got some leftover tint that we can use for that. And hopefully I got enough to be able to do it all. But we got some cleaning to do, and hey, check it out. You know, Logan's out here helping us. It is hot, so we're gonna knock this out real quick and get it all done. Throw some time lapse up here. This will be a super quick video of us getting the interior pretty much all put back together and ready to go. Got brand new carpet in it. We got this side here we've already kind of started putting together. We got some clips of that. I gotta get the covers and everything for this all put back on. Get the light cover, get the speaker cover. Actually, I think this is just a light cover here too. But we got a few things we're gonna be doing. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put some speakers back here, but we're gonna be putting a 10-inch here, 10-inch here, and some other stuff. He's working on the piece that's gonna go right there. We're gonna fold this over, get that all put back in, get the seat belts and everything all hooked back up, get this piece up here all cleaned up, get it situated, and yeah, she's coming along. Basically what we did was we went and bought some board, and we built a new board that's going to sit right on top of this to kind of make it all level, give us some structure. And we still got one more seat that we got to put in here for the NRG Prisma racing seat. Check that out. That thing is hot. That gives it the early 90s vibe, which we're going for. I know this is supposed to be kind of a Y2K, but we're kind of doing the theme to the early 90s theme. So yeah, let's get started.